Let me tell you something, ladies. Most of you ladies don't know how a man becomes so proud. If you are a productive lady, you don't know how your boyfriend becomes so proud if you are a productive woman. Eh? And you don't know the kind of joy a man has, actually the kind of pride a man has if, let's say, maybe your boyfriend is out with this fellow men, and then they start talking about their women. Then your boyfriend mentions that, hey guy, bro, my girlfriend is a lawyer. I'm dating this girl, she's a doctor. I'm dating this lady, she's a strong businesswoman. She's an entrepreneur. You don't know. Some of you girls don't know the kind of joy a man has if he's in love with a woman who is productive, not only a woman who gives doggy. Yes, men love sex. It is true. We love sex, but let's listen. Sex is not enough. Your beauty is not enough for a man. You understand? Then tomorrow, if a man chooses another woman to marry, a man buys a ring to propose to another woman, and he leaves you. The man has left you because you are not productive. You think everything is just about beauty. That is how some of you girls think. Eh? You think everything is just about beauty. Babe, my sister, go and make yourself productive. Become an asset to that man. Become the kind of woman that a man fears losing. That is the kind of woman he should be. Become the kind of lady a man fears losing. You understand? Become productive, become an asset. Make your man proud of you. You understand? Not every time doggy, doggy, doggy. Not every time beauty. Beauty fades. But if you are a woman of value, no man will leave you. Your boyfriend will never break up with you, will never leave you. So listen to me. Go and make yourself productive. Go and learn a skill. Go and learn fashion. Go and learn new skills. There are so many skills you can learn that can make you become a productive woman. Not every time you sit on your phone scrolling, browsing only. Instead of learning something on social media for you, you're just there shaking your nyash because I'm beautiful. You're just there shaking your nyash. Girl, listen. If that man leaves you for another woman, don't say that, hey, men are bad, men are bad. It is because you are not productive. You are a liability. Eh? You are a liability. Make yourself productive enough to the point that a man is scared of losing you. To the point that even the children you are going to give birth to will be proud of you. You don't understand? Eh? Not everything is about beauty, beauty, beauty. Listen, beauty fades, but if you have value, your value is eternal. You can even transfer that value that you have, that skill that you have learned to your children. But beauty, a woman with beauty, beauty fades. Beauty fades. Become productive. A man will never leave you. A man will never choose another woman over you. Men want women who are productive. The same way you want a rich man, men want women who are productive. You understand?